first of all, stop it with the ciao bella. It's not funny, it's the dead meme.
Hey, you're watching?
Hey guys, I'm Anna and welcome to a new Italian lessons. Are you excited? I am. Woo! So first of all, Buon San Valentino a tutti. And if you don't have a boyfriend or girlfriend, don't worry, because in Italy on the 15th, so tomorrow, don't forget, is the single party. So you can have a party with your single friends. Oh my god, it's so sad. I mean, you can find a boyfriend or girlfriend there. You never know. So today we're learning how to declare your love in Italian. At least the basic expressions that I'm sure you want to tell your party to add a little exotic spicy tomato flavor to your relationship. Okay, let's begin. In Italian we have 3 basic love expressions that we use, and they are mi piaci, ti voglio bene, and ti amo. I'm sure you heard about them, right? The first one, mi piaci, basically means I like you. So say it with me, mi piaci. Good. The second and the third one, ti voglio bene and ti amo, you can translate them with I love you in English, but they are actually 2 like really different feelings. So for example, ti voglio bene, you can say it to your family members, to your friends, to your partner, of course, and I don't know, animals would be a little weird. But you can say it to basically everybody. When you have this I love you feeling, you can say ti voglio bene, and it's like the basic. You can say it to everybody, you never make a mistake. But ti amo is something that you say only to your loved one, and it's something that is really hard to say lightly, if you know what I mean. So be careful who you say it to, okay?
Ti amo! Ci sposiamo!
So that said, if you have an Italian girlfriend, you will notice that when you say ti voglio bene or ti amo to them, they will most of the time answer something like quanto? That means how much? Probably the easiest answer to that is tanto, that means a lot, but you could make it more poetic.
Ho sceso milioni di scale dandoti il braccio e ora che non ci sei è il vuoto a ogni gradino.
But we all know how it's gonna end like.
Mi ero preparato anche un discorso figo e non mi ricordo più un cazzo.
Beh, improvvisa.
Don't you dig this line?
Does it work? Probably. So other things that in my opinion you should know are baciami, that means kiss me.
Baciami ancora, baciami ancora.
Abbracciami or stringimi a te, that means hug me or hold me close.
Abbracciami e stringimi.
And another useful one is probably mi manchi, that means I miss you.
Mi manchi come manca il mare a un'isola.
So when we call our lover, we can say his name of course, but usually we change it to amore. So we can say something like amore, dove hai messo la mia spazzola? Amore, ricordati di comprare il dentifricio, eh? Amore, ma tu mi vuoi bene? But of course we can change it a little to add a little more personality. So now we learn how to actually approach girl.
Sei così bella, sai che c'è, se vuoi vieni a cena, dai, mangiamo sushi e poi vieni a casa con me.
Yes, exactly like this. Oh wait, first of all, stop it with the ciao bella. It's not funny, it's the dead meme. Yeah, it's true though that Italian girls like hate when you call them cute. Like, we are not cute, we are belle. So like when Japanese people say we Italian women are belle, so come and say to us, say bellissima. Thank you very much, grazie, prego sos. On the other hand, when we speak about boys, we use the word cute. So if a friend of mine showed me a picture of their new crush, I would be like,
Do you remember that guy I was telling you about?
oh yeah.
Yeah, this is his picture.
Carino! It's not che buono because it's my friend's crush, it's not mine, so it would be a little weird. So how do you ask somebody out? Italians are spontaneous, so if we ask you out for tonight, you better be ready to go. Otherwise you'll kill the mood and probably a chance of a second date. So if you ask somebody out, you will probably say something like
Andiamo a fare aperitivo insieme stasera. stasera. Ceniamo insieme stasera.
Because Italians are all about sharing some time sitting at the table and just relaxing talking about whatever. Also, at least where I come from, girls split the bill or even offer you the meal because gender equality. So how do you ask, will you be my boyfriend or girlfriend? Sounds so childish when I say it in Italian for some reason. Ti vuoi mettere con me? So maybe the most adult way to say it would be vuoi essere la mia ragazza? Or vuoi essere il mio ragazzo? Because actually girlfriend in Italian is my girl, la mia ragazza. And boyfriend is my boy, il mio ragazzo. And when you speak about your relationship with people, you say stiamo insieme. That means we are together. We are boyfriend and girlfriend. And I think that's all. If there's something else that you would know how to say in Italian, or if you have a recommendation for the next lesson topics, please leave a comment down below and I will answer as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to get notified when we post new videos. Oh, we also have a Patreon. Link is in the description, and even €1 can change everything for us. So thank you again for watching and see you guys next week. Peace.